Hey guys, welcome back to another Monstoric video. And today, me, Monster's brother, I'm going to teach you how to make a Discord bot in Python. So let's get started. So first I need you to go to this website called discord.com/developer/application. Then if you're logged in, you see the screen. So what you're going to do is create a new application. Name your application. I'm just going to name it Python bot, Discord bot, and agree the terms of service thing and the developer policies by checking this. Then only you can create the bot. Now create. So you will be redirected to this page, the developer dashboard for your bot. So I'm going to select logo for my bot. You can select anything or just leave it plain. Now I'm going to go to the bot section of it. And what the hell? Python Discord bot. Yeah. Oops. Yeah. Save changes. Oh, okay. Python bot. Save changes. Now, you gotta go and check these boxes, these 3 boxes. Save changes. Now, you gotta go to the auth section, then the URL generator section. Click on bot. I'll give admin permissions. You can give any permissions. I'll copy this link, paste it here. Wait for it to load and add it to a server. I'll add it to the server called Testingo. I am a human Discord. Just why? Oh. Containing animals. So, okay. Captcha. Done. Now let's open Discord and see if our bot appeared. And did it appear? Let's find out. Yes, it did appear. Now we need to go to the bot section again. Copy this, reset this token and copy it. Now coding starts. Finally. Yeah. Create a new file called keys.py. Now you can put a Discord token and equal to the token you just copied. Now create another file called main.py. So next you're going to open the terminal. You're going to install pip install discord.py discord.py. We're going to install discord.py. Wait for it to download. Takes a while. Did it finish? Yeah, you need to wait for a while. I'll put it here. Did it install? Okay, it might take a lot of time, but it installed. Now let's get to the coding part. First, you're going to import Discord. Import Discord. Then from discord.ext, we'll import commands. Next, we'll import from keys, import everything. So asterisk client equals to discord.bot. No, it's not discord.bot, it's commands.bot. Command prefix. So this is going to be your bot's prefix. I'm going to keep exclamation mark as the prefix for now. And for the intents, you can put discord.intents.all. So we import every instance from Discord. Now we got our client ready. So we need our client to, when the bot is ready, we need to print that the bot is ready in the terminal. So add client.event async def on ready print bot is now ready and working. So when the bot's online, it will print this. The print bot is ready now ready and working. So next we need the bot to say Pong when we use the ping command. So for that we're going to use add client.command async def ping. The ping function is the command name we're going to trigger. Oh, we forgot the ctx return await ctx dot message dot reply Pong. Now it will reply to the message saying Pong. Let's test it out. Oh, I almost forgot one thing. You need to put client.run and use the bot token we imported earlier, Discord token. And now let's run. Start debugging. And let's hope it works. Python file. Select Python interpreter. Okay. Why can't it run already? Let's try this. Python main.py. How about that one? Will it work? Yeah, it started working. Our bot is now ready and working. Let's test it out. Discord, the server. Let's now put exclamation mark ping. It replied pong. Let's go. We made a ping pong command. Now I want to show you another thing. So since we are using discord.py, it will automatically create a help command for you. That's convenient. Help. Look at this. No category. Help shows this message ping. Ping is a command. Anyways, that's it for this video. In the next video, we'll see how to divide it into cogs. Thank you. Bye. Let's go.